All right, so we got a 2021 Toyota RAV4 key fob here. This is how you open it up to change the battery, okay? So we're gonna flip the key open, and we're gonna take off this back panel here. Just grab yourself a small screwdriver, flathead, and there's a little groove that's right in here, okay? There's actually two little slots. You can use either one of these, but you can put the screwdriver in here, find it, and just kind of pry up against it. You can see how the panel will start to open up, okay? Something here like that. You can just pull it off like that. This is a rubber seal, it protects it from water. We just pull it right off like that. Turn it upside down. There's a little slot right here that we're gonna put the screwdriver into. We're gonna use the corner of it and just pry it right out. A little screwdriver would be good here, but this one will work. Once we get it out, I'll show you what size it is. The size is a CR2032 battery. Positive sign facing out towards us. And we're gonna put it into the top of the remote first, I guess you can say. That. And we can just press it down in there, like so. If you need one of these batteries, I'll leave a link down in the description box. It takes you to Amazon where you can get the correct size battery. Okay, so check that out. If you need one, you get the rubber seal, and we just place it back in here. We just push it in here like this. Okay, and you get your cap. Start at the top, work your way down. You hear it click and pop, and emergency key. You're all done. Well, I hope the video was quick and straightforward. If you thought it was, appreciate it if you could hit that like button for me or leave me a comment. Really appreciate that.